Just what is quiet shift? During the winter, when the heat pump is in the heating mode, the reversing valve has to be energized whenever the heat pump goes into the defrost cycle to clear the coil of frost and ice. This shifting often makes a tremendous noise that is usually objectionable to the homeowner. A number of years ago, Carrier and Copeland engineers came up with the quiet shift to try and resolve the reversing valve noise when it shifts in defrost. So how does quiet shift work? When the defrost cycle is initiated, the compressor is shut down. While the compressor is off, the reversing valve is energized, putting the system in cooling mode. After the reversing valve shifts, the compressor is restarted and it runs for the duration of the defrost cycle. When the defrost cycle is terminated, the compressor is once again turned off. While the compressor is shut down, the reversing valve is de-energized and the system goes back into heating mode. Once the reversing valve has shifted back into heating mode, the compressor is restarted and goes into a normal heating cycle. So on standard heat pumps, you may see a board like this that has the dip switches on them, and the dip switch on the far right is the quiet shift dip switch. It comes from the factory default off. So if you want the quiet shift function on the heat pump, you would have to turn the dip switch on. While the quiet shift was innovative at its time and resolved a lot of heat pump reversing valve noise in defrost mode, it is not the fix-all for the issue. With the introduction of inverter-driven product and the ductless design, the reversing valve issue has not been much of an issue in the past few years. There is still a need for a viable resolution to stop reversing valve switching noise on standard heat pumps. I hope that someone out there will be challenged to come up with a system that will resolve the reversing valve switching noise. The location of the heat pump is critical to the objection of sound by the homeowner. So salesmen and installers have a very important job of making sure the heat pump is not put directly under a window or close to a porch where the homeowners like to relax, that they elevate the unit and that it is properly supported on a solid level pad. Do everything that you can in the installation process to make sure that the noise of the heat pump is as far away from areas where the homeowners will congregate so that noise will not be objectionable to them.
Go to arefco.com for more videos. Like, subscribe, and check back every week for new videos.